Safety and security film helps defend what's most valuable against break-ins, vandalism, accidents, storms, seismic tremors and blasts. It's engineered for strength, using a heavy-duty polyester film that bonds to glass with strong adhesives. Once installed, this film provides low-profile defense for windows, glass doors, bathroom mirrors, elevator finishes and other vulnerable hard surfaces in commercial properties.
When glass has an added layer of LLumar safety and security film, it helps safeguard against theft or intrusion, flying debris, extreme weather, explosive blasts, and unfortunate accidents.
Most of these film products block 99% of the UV rays that contribute to fading of merchandise and interiors. Solar Control Safety Film tempers the sun's heat and glare to enhance productivity and comfort.